We also looked at alternative street cross sections. We proposed something that looked like this. This is the street edge alternative from Seattle. We proposed something like this in Langley, and they've adopted it. Similar concepts. Except in Langley, we've eliminated the grass, which we don't plant grass because somebody's going to want to cut it. And we didn't want people mucking around in there, so we said pick a good variety of natural vegetation that grows, not too big. We give them a list of vegetation. And they're actually building it. Northeast Gordon and now New York.
Jim, what's the problem now, 50 years from now, that little maple there is now big?
Yep.
And cracking up the asphalt and all the rest.
Yeah, well, this is Seattle. This is not what we proposed. This is a view of it. This is a view of what might be, and that was my caution exactly. You have to be careful with vegetation you pick, because you're going to have unintended consequences. So we picked short-growing, non-invasive, natural, trying to minimize maintenance.
So have you eliminated the curbs on either side?
We eliminated curb, but not
this
the
is
gutter.
what this looks like.
But not the gutter.
Okay, so you've got the gutter but not the curb.
Yeah, because what we found was that the edge of asphalt is rather fragile, so we wanted something hard to set it up against.
Okay.
And if you made it flat and concrete that was hard and protected it, still allow the water to run off. We just took the curb off.
So is there, what kind of crossfall is on the road? Is it typical?
2%.
So it drains off into the green space, then
Yes.
off the road rather than, are there still catch basins on the road, or?
This is what the typical cross section is like. So we had occasionally we had lawn basins in the swale.
Okay.
The problem with some of the streets is you've got driveways. And so we try to get the driveways side by side with the space, with the green section and another driveway. That's what you miss here. What they don't tell you about the Seattle C streets, such a huge lots. They're huge. You know, you just have an occasional driveway there and driveway there, but it's mostly, they're huge lots. We didn't have that. What we had are half of the street was going to be driveway. So the question was, what do we squeeze in between the driveways? That was the whole question we had. So in each of these gaps, we're going to put a lawn basin so that if the thing did fill up, it would overflow at least.
And who is responsible for the maintenance?
Maintenance, yes. Township of Langley has mandated the homeowner is responsible for maintenance.
So what if they don't agree with the plants that are going in there? What if they just don't like that kind of shrubbery or probably?
Well, then they're going to have a discussion with the township. I don't know. I suspect there's going to be lots of discussions going on